Assalamu alaikum. Those of you whose Facebook accounts get restricted or disabled when you try to post on Facebook Marketplace, please watch this video. First of all, before posting in a new city, connect your IP to that specific city using a VPN. Then go to Login, open multiple browsers, and create a new profile. Make sure the browser does not detect any type of IP. Then open your browser and go to where.net to check your IP location. Then open Facebook and post. Watch the video all the way through and you'll understand everything. I say a few things in it, please listen carefully. Many people message me asking for the method, others message me for no reason and talk nonsense. If someone messages me nonsense and that person is Bangladeshi, I will certainly drag them from their home and throw them in jail. I definitely have that power. And for posting on Facebook Marketplace, no special method is required. If your account is in good standing, you can post confidently and get your listings live easily. You can also purchase Facebook Marketplace ads directly from me. Each ad costs $2 and will stay live for 30 days, guaranteed. Additionally, you can buy Facebook accounts from me at a low price and run your own ads independently. Only genuine buyers should message me on Telegram or Microsoft Teams, envelope with arrow contact on Telegram at Aminul Bappe, email Microsoft Teams, bappeslam222@gmail.com. Please don't send unnecessary messages, especially Bangladeshis. I do not work with people from Bangladesh, Pakistan, or Nigeria.